Hey everybody, welcome to CodeBlaze. Today I'll be sharing with you a little side project that I've been working on for a while. It's also my first proper open source project, so I'm really excited for your feedback. CBSL, short for CodeBlaze Standard Library, is like a generic standard library for Unity which contains one-off components and utilities. Basically, it's reusable stuff that can be shared between projects. So while working on my Unity projects, I often find myself recreating stuff again and again, like object pools, transform, and vector extensions. So I decided to put all that in a standard library. So it's basically me dog fooding off my own stuff. So CBSL can be easily installed from OpenUPM. And if you need some other install options, that's available in the docs website. And this docs website is, first of all, I'm really proud of it. Uh, Took me a while to get started on the CS stuff and all, but yeah, basically it's first time for me also to create documentation and content like this. So it's something new. So back to the CBSL, and currently CBSL has three modules, which are the core module, the logging module, and the manager framework, and it has some extensions. So each of these modules can be enabled on demand by using one of these defines, but it's the core module which is always enabled. So the core module contains your new collections like object pools and compressed arrays. There's other stuff also in core module which is currently not documented. So that would be your random bags, your basic mono behaviors like the singleton and stuff, your extension methods for transforms, and I think it's some rigid body stuff is also there, which isn't documented at the moment, and I'll be adding more stuff to it. So other than that, it has this provider pattern also. So if you have been following my voxel engine series, I use this provider there extensively and have put some effort into creating this docs website, explaining how everything works, and I'll be improving it as time goes on. So the next module that we have is the logging module. So this is a pretty basic wrapper over Unity Logger. For now, it doesn't have much stuff. The only thing it has going for itself is this. Basically, it generates unique colors for the tags so that you can, have more clear logging. Other than that, we have the manager framework. So if you have seen my previous video on how I handle managers, so this is a re-implementation of that with few minor improvements. So the idea with the manager framework is you basically create your managers and let the framework handle all the initialization and the lifecycle stuff. So it basically you don't need to write a lot of boilerplate. That's all this framework does. So you can check out this docs website. What other thing I'm missing? Yeah, the extensions. So other idea that I had was like I usually use some other third-party libraries in my projects like UniRX or Unitask. So I have extensions on that also. So those extensions are also part of the standard library and they can be used. So for Unitask, I have this batching scheduler, which basically allows me to create batches and process them on multiple threads. So basically, it makes it easy to do multi-threading in the current paradigm, not the jobs and burst thing. So that's currently what all is there in CBSL, but I will be improving CBSL throughout the year and going forward. And you're also free to contribute to it. I'll share the GitHub link down below. I have a complete CI/CD pipeline set up, so it shouldn't be any difficult. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, do leave a rating. And if you have any suggestions or feedback, leave them down below in the comments. Share it with your friends, share it with the people out there that you think this could help with, and subscribe for the upcoming videos. Thanks. Bye.